we have been actively implementing a project in Kwale County, specifically Matuga and Kinango Sub-County, a project called Community Activism in Resisting Extremist Ideologies. And this project mainly looks at engaging young people, duty bearers, and the peace and security structures that are at community level. The project came in timely in 2019, and this we're looking at, bridging the gap that is there between young people and the police, ensuring that young people now take advantage of the UN Resolution 250 to ensure they're active participants, not only active but decision makers in the peace and security process in the two sub-counties, that is Matuga and Kinango. We are looking at doing activities like trainings like Bakumi elders, and this is to ensure there is mainstreaming. How will they accept to have young people, despite the challenge we have in terms of the cultural, the myths, taboos, where only older people are meant to speak in the spaces. So trying to navigate from taboos is a little bit challenging, but now giving a voice as to why it is important to include young people in this decision-making process. So in the fact that we're talking about violent extremism, the mostly affected are women and young people. Have been there as victims, as culprits. So it becomes very crucial for them, because they have the experience, they have been there, they have lived it all and have a story to tell. It's very important for them to be in the space of decision makers.
Like I said before, I don't see nothing wrong with comedy. Abracadabra, mnajua mnataka tu ni dedi.
Manyata Entertainment, as I've said, is active, working on three main thematic areas. One is on peace building and conflict transformation, where we mainly focus on championing UN Resolution 250 and also UN Resolution 1325. This is both on youth and women peace and security. And of course, we are also championing African Union Agenda 2063, the Africa we want. So very important on the issue of silencing the guns. As you know, young people form about 75% of the population in this country, and they have been out there misused to bring mayhem, to bring peace, and also to cause violence in communities. So we believe that taking advantage of the youthful age and energy in transforming the peace and the country we want to see then becomes a noble cause.
We had three activities. One major one, which is an innovative one for us, was the Youth Model Assembly, that we were basically using as an advocacy platform to bring in and engage with the duty bearers, especially on matters to do with budget making processes, and even inclusion of youth in decision making organs within Kisumu County. The second one was installation of graffitis. One of them is behind me. There are several in the community. Installation of graffiti with messages that resound to the youth and are communicating on the need for youth to be included in development processes. The other was dialogue meetings, where after having the assembly sessions, we have issues being raised from the assembly. Then we now bring these duty bearers, we sit with them in a meeting and dialogue, try to find out how do we address the issues, whether they are policy issues or program issues that would help go a long way in helping young people achieve what they want in Kisumu County. First, we introduced graffiti in Kisumu. It wasn't there before as a way of passing information to duty bearers and community members. So the response was very positive. If you walk around Kisumu right now, there are even other organizations that have picked this graffiti installation as a way of passing information. At the duty bearers level, I think they found our engagement a bit meaningful and mutual, because as those issues were being raised, they were there, they were listening to those issues. So we were able to jointly also come up with plans that would address youth issues in Kisumu County. Currently, as a result of that, we were able to influence the development and adoption of Kisumu County Integrated Youth Development Plan. It's a 3 document, 2019 to 2022. Under that plan, we were able to also influence the creation of a Kisumu County Youth Sector Working Group, just to ensure that they oversee the implementation of that plan. In the Youth Sector Working Group, Kisumu Progressive Youth sits at the Secretariat and also leads the leadership and governance thematic area.
Revolution, so ina revolve around this nation. Time yetu ndio imefika, vijana tabaki tumeungana. Together, kuna matata.